Hi, can you help me?
Of course. What do you need?
Where's the nearest coffee shop?
It's 2 blocks down this street.
Do they have free Wi-Fi?
Yes, they do.
Perfect. Do you live nearby?
Yes, just around the corner.
How long have you lived here?
I've lived here for 5 years.
Do you like it here?
Yes, it's a nice place.
Are there any good restaurants?
Yes, there are many.
Which one is your favorite?
I love the Italian place on Main Street.
Is it expensive?
No, it's quite affordable.
Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. Enjoy your visit. Hi. How are you today?
I'm good, thanks. How are you?
I'm fine.
How was work today?
It was busy.
Do you have any plans for the weekend?
Yes, I'm going hiking.
What do you usually do on weekends?
I like to read books.
I want to improve my English conversational skills.
What areas do you feel you need the most help with?
I struggle with confidence and fluency.
Speak English every day, even if it's just a little.
Who can I practice with?
Try speaking with friends.
How can I expand my vocabulary?
Read books and use new words and sentences.
Should I focus on grammar?
Yes, but don't let it stop you from speaking.
Is it helpful to think in English?
Yes, think in English as much as possible.
What if I make mistakes?
It's okay. Mistakes are part of learning.
Is there any app for improving English?
Yes, there's an amazing app called Sparky AI.
Can you tell me more about it?
You can talk to Sparky AI about different topics that are of interest to you.
How can I access this app?
You can download the Sparky AI app from the Play Store.
Who is she?
She is my sister.
Who can drive?
I can drive.
Who called you?
John called me.
Who wants ice cream?
The kids want ice cream.
Who is that?
That is my neighbor.
Who can help me?
I can help you.
Who is coming?
My parents are coming.
Who broke the vase?
The cat broke the vase. Shall I close the door?
No, leave it open.
Shall I turn on the light?
Yes, it's getting dark.
Shall I call you a taxi?
No, I can walk.
Shall I make some coffee?
Yes, I would love some.
Shall I read this book?
Yes, it's very interesting.
Shall I bring a jacket?
Yes, it's cold outside.
Hi. How are you today?
I'm good, thanks. How are you?
I'm fine.
How was work today?
It was busy.
Do you have any plans for the weekend?
Yes, I'm going hiking.
What do you usually do on weekends?
I like to read books.
Do you have any siblings?
Yes, I have one brother.
What does your brother do?
He is a teacher.
Do you play any sports?
I play basketball.
What is your favorite hobby?
I like painting.
What's your favorite food?
Pizza is my favorite food.
Do you like spicy food?
Yes, very much.
Do you cook at home?
Sometimes, yes.
Do you like desserts?
Yes, especially ice cream.
What's your favorite flavor?
Chocolate.
Do you eat out often?
Not too often.
What's your favorite restaurant?
A local Italian place.
How do you take your coffee?
Will you go to work tomorrow?
Yes, I will go to work tomorrow.
Will you eat breakfast in the morning?
Yes, I will eat breakfast in the morning.
Will you drink coffee later?
Yes, I will drink coffee later.
Will you read a book tonight?
Yes, I will read a book tonight.
Will you watch TV this evening?
Yes, I will watch TV this evening.
Will you exercise tomorrow?
Yes, I will exercise tomorrow.
Will you cook dinner tonight?
Yes, I will cook dinner tonight.
Will you clean your house this weekend?
Yes, I will clean my house this weekend.
Will you go shopping on Saturday?
Yes, I will go shopping on Saturday.
Will you visit your family next month?
Yes, I will visit my family next month.
Will you take the bus to work tomorrow?
Yes, I will take the bus to work tomorrow.
Will you listen to music while working?
Yes, I will listen to music while working.
Will you play sports this weekend?
Yes, I will play soccer this weekend.
Will you study English tomorrow?
Yes, I will study English tomorrow.
Will you walk your dog in the morning?
Yes, I will walk my dog in the morning.
Will you water the plants later?
Yes, I will water the plants later.
How are you today?
I'm good, thank you. How about you?
What do you do for a living?
I'm a teacher. What about you?
What's your favorite food?
I love pizza. How about you?
Do you have any hobbies?
Yes, I enjoy reading and hiking. Do you have any hobbies?
Where are you from?
I'm from New York. How about you?
Do you speak any other languages?
Yes, I speak Spanish. What about you?
What's your favorite movie?
My favorite movie is Inception. What's yours?
Do you like to travel?
Yes, I love traveling. Have you traveled anywhere recently?
What kind of music do you like?
I like pop music. How about you?
Do you have any pets?
Yes, I have a dog. Do you have any pets?
What's your favorite book?
My favorite book is To Kill a Mockingbird. What's yours?
Do you prefer tea or coffee?
I prefer coffee. What about you?
How was your weekend?
It was great, thank you. How was yours?
What's your favorite season?
I love summer. What's your favorite season?
What do you like to do in your free time?
I enjoy painting and watching movies. What about you?
Who is your best friend?
My best friend is Ruchika.
Is she your classmate?
No, she is my roommate.
Are you both in the same college?
Yes, we are in the same college.
Where is she from?
She is from India.
How many people are your roommates?
We are 4 members.
What are their names?
Their names are Emily and Sophie.
Are they also Indian?
No, Emily is from the USA and Sophie is from London.
Where are you going right now?
Right now, I am going to pick up Emily.
Can I come with you?
Of course, you can.
Where did you go?
I went to the park.
What did you eat?
I ate pizza.
Whom did you meet?
I met my friend.
When did you leave?
I left at 5 p.m.